Namaste. I am Dr. Nagaprabha. I am dietitian working for Chandray Rheumatology and Immunology Research Center. Today, I would wish to talk on PCOS friendly diet. PCOS has become more common in young women these days. As we know, health is physical, mental well-being of an individual. Health is wealth to us, is precious wealth to us. We have different food groups like cereals, pulses, green leafy vegetables, other vegetables like roots and tubers, dairy products, fats and oils. In case of non-vegetarians, meat, fish, poultry are all food groups which are necessary for us, which are taken in proper proportion, gives us balanced diet and helps us to stay healthy. Polycystic ovary syndrome has become more common these days. Stress, our lifestyle, our improper food choices are some of the reasons for this syndrome in young women these days. Prevalence has become more increasing, especially in women who work in IT/BT companies. Worldwide, prevalence is around 4 to 20%. In India, it's around 3 to 22%. Some symptoms of polycystic ovaries are red pimples, marks on the face, irregular periods, infertility, elevated testosterone, androgens level, that is male hormones found in the women, and also hair loss, overgrowth of hair on the chin, abdomen, and other parts of the body, and also overweight or obesity. These are some of the symptoms which leads to mentally depression, anxiety, and other decrease in work efficiency in young women. So infertility has become more common in PCOS. These are the symptoms found in PCOS condition. So diet plays a major role in managing this disorder. So I would recommend high fiber rich foods, moderate protein intake in our food plate, and also low calorie foods to manage this disease. Our traditional foods like red rice, brown rice, all our whole grains, and also colorful fruits, vegetables, all give us good fiber to our diet and also to our system, and thus manage this disease, help us to prevent obesity, overweight in our system. Let's switch on to herbal teas instead of having coffee tea in our daily routine. Herbal teas like hibiscus tea, tulsi tea, all these improve the metabolism of the system. They are they are of no calories and thus helps to maintain the body weight and also manage the disease. Many seeds like flake seeds, chia seeds, nuts, oil seeds, all like other seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, they all help us. Consumption of all these seeds help us to maintain the cholesterol level in our system and thus avoid heart disease and also manage this disease disorder. Elevation of estrogen in some cases is found in PCOS, which leads to overweight. So, avoiding soya and soya products also helps in managing this disease in some cases. And also, we, due to workload and also less time for cooking, we prefer convenience foods which are more demand in the market. So, some convenience foods are of high calorie, high fat, which tends to gain weight, obesity, and also thus also PCOS. And as we know, obesity is the root cause for hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, and thus it spoils our health. So we need to avoid processed foods, bakery items, sweets which are of high calories, and also will make to gain weight. So such foods must be avoided to manage the disease. Based on the health reports, clinical parameters, supplements are recommended to patients suffering with this disease disorder, like supplements like vitamin D, vitamin B12, folic acid, etc. are given. Apart from dietary management, stress management is also very much necessary. Stress is the main factor for overweight, obesity, and also PCOS. So we need to be physically active, like performing walking, swimming, cycling, so that it helps to maintain ideal body weight. Meditation also helps to normalize the hormones and also helps to manage the disease. Proper sleep for around 7 to 8 hours is a must for each individual to stay healthy. So proper food timings, due to busy work schedules, food timings also may not be correct. Improper food timing also may lead to many diseases like gastritis and also weight gain, obesity, and other diseases. So proper food choices, that is complex carbohydrate or high fiber rich foods, are very much necessary. Along with that, moderate protein intake in our food plate helps us to attain a balanced diet and also helps to stay healthy and manage the disease. And also, it helps to prevent the diabetes disorder in our system and also helps us to maintain ideal body weight. Thus, I would wish to inform that lifestyle management, traditional food approach, that is choosing our traditional foods like brown rice, red rice, millets, like foxtail millet, proso millet, nowadays we call bajra, jowar in our diet, in our food plate, helps us to attain ideal body weight, manage the other diseases like PCOS, elevated cholesterol level in our system, and also avoid cardiac diseases or heart diseases, and helps us to stay healthy. So thus we need to have all these food groups in proper proportion to stay healthy and manage this disease. So based on the clinical parameters and also food choices of an individual, we need to customize the diet as a dietitian and help them to manage the disease, especially PCOS, diabetes, obesity, hypertension, and also infertility is found in PCOS. It is becoming more common in PCOS ladies. So based on their clinical reports, we customize the diet as dietitians, and also along with that, the medications given by gynecologists also helps to overcome this infertility, and ladies with PCOS can attain pregnancy based on these managements, medical management as well as dietary management through traditional food approach, healthy food approach, high fiber rich foods helps to manage this PCOS and stay healthy. So thank you for watching this session. Thank you.